Hello, in this video, we'll learn how to create variables and assign values to them in the Python programming language. Variables are an essential structure that allows us to store and manipulate data in programming. Creating variables and assigning values to them in Python is quite easy, and you'll get detailed information on this topic throughout this video. Let's get started. To create a variable in Python, we use the assignment operator, =, and give the variable a name on the left-hand side of the operator. On the right-hand side, we assign a value to the variable. Here's an example. In this example, we're creating a variable called message and assigning it the value hello, world. We can then print the value of the message. We can use the built-in print function to print the value of the variable to the console. This code will output the value of the message variable to the console. We can also create variables that hold numeric values, such as integers and floating point numbers. In this example, we're creating two variables called x and y and assigning them the values 42 and 3.14, respectively. We can also assign Boolean values to variables. Boolean values can either be true or false. In this example, we're creating two variables called is_happy and is_sad and assigning them the Boolean values true and false, respectively. Variables can also be updated or reassigned with new values. In this example, we're creating a variable called message and assigning it the value hello, world. We then print the value of the message variable. We then reassign the message variable with the value goodbye, world, and print it again. In summary, variables are an essential part of programming and allow us to store and manipulate data in our code. To create a variable, we give it a name and assign a value to it using the assignment operator. We can assign values of different data types to variables, such as strings, numbers, and booleans. Variables can also be updated or reassigned with new values.